Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. And if you need to replace your key fob battery, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It should work on the generation from year 2015 all the way to currently year 2022. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Now, if you need to get help with anything to fix on your Dodge Challenger, drop a comment below. We're making list of videos we'll be making now, so we'll be working on that thing for a while. Before we continue, if you need to buy any parts, tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get the remote control battery from there as well, and it's really affordable price. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. So this is the key that we have out of this Challenger. This is the Dodge key right here. Let me show you what you need to do. In order to replace the battery, you need to remove the physical key, which in that case, okay, with your nail, you need to pull that button, okay, to the outside, and at the same time, pull with your nails the key out. This is the physical key that if your key fob battery dies, you can unlock your car. Now, right here on the inside, guys, check it out, okay, you have, that's where the key goes, but then you have that space there that you can get. I recommend plastic too, will work even better. Big screwdriver will work too, but you can dent it. Go a little bit kind of like sideways. Okay, check it out now. I'm going to go sideways. You need to hold it on the sides and it will pop open. Now, there is one problem. That ring holder, you need to remove it. Okay, because the key will not be able to separate. Now, once you guys pop it loose, you can go ahead, okay, and gently you can, okay, pry it open, just very gentle, and that's your key fob battery. Let me get a small screwdriver quick, okay, so we can pop that thing out. How you do that? Pretty simple. You come in an angle like that on this side, okay, and you remove the battery. This is the CR2032 battery. I'll put the link in the description of the video below, okay, where you can get it from. Next, you get a replacement battery. You see the plus sign right here. It says plus. Okay, let me see, plus. On the battery, the bottom is +2. Okay, right here you can see. So that needs to match. Go first in an angle, okay. Go in an angle like that and push it in. Careful not to bend the connection here. Wipe all the dust here because you may have dust from your pockets, jeans, anything like that, and it can prevent sealing correctly, and water and humidity can get in and damage the key. Gently press on each side until it locks in place. It won't be easy because you have the seal that prevents it, okay, from closing. Install your key and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.